Morning children, how are you all? Hope all are fine, right? Okay, in today's class I'm going to teach you different types of birds. Okay, now open your alphabet book, alphabet ABC book. At the last you can find the birds here. See here, birds. So you all know different types of birds. See here, hen, eagle, owl, sparrow, pigeon, parrot. Once again, you all know that birds fly, right? So, as you all have seen crow, sparrow, okay? Now, in this picture, you can find different types of birds. See here, hen, eagle, owl, sparrow, pigeon, parrot. Once again, hen, eagle, owl, sparrow, pigeon, parrot. Okay children, see, I'll say you the importance of these birds. Okay, hen. You all have seen hen. Okay, hen gives us eggs, right? Then eagle. This bird flies in the sky, which eats the flesh of animals. Flesh of animals. It has a sharp beak. See here. Okay, owl. Owl can see only during the night. It can see only during the night. Okay, it hoots. Okay, then sparrow. Sparrow is the smallest bird. Sparrow is the smallest bird. Okay, now pigeon. Pigeon, it eats grains. You have seen pigeons flies around your house and all, right? Okay, parrot. Parrot, it is green in color. You all have seen it. Whatever we teach, it imitates. Okay, this bird. So these are birds. I've said you the importance of birds. Once again, I'll say you the names: hen, eagle, owl, sparrow, pigeon, parrot. So you have to learn this names of the birds. Okay children? Thank you.